Here is your local news update on Great Smoky Mountains TV. Beginning August 24th, Great Smoky Mountains National Park will close Abrams Falls Trail from Monday through Thursday each week to replace aging footlog bridges and improve visitor safety. The work is expected to be completed by October 1st. The trail will open to hikers Fridays through Sundays and on Labor Day during construction. The project includes replacing 4 aging footlog bridges and handrails. The trail crew will also build new stairs at a steep, slick rock section to improve footing near Abrams Falls. Replacement of the footlogs will require the use of rigging equipment throughout the trail, supply delivery by the park's animal packer team, and removal and replacement of the footlogs. To ensure the safety of visitors and employees during these operations, the trail will be closed while work is underway. The hike to Abrams Falls is a 5-mile round-trip hike through rhododendron, hemlock, and pine oak forest to a 25-foot waterfall that flows over a ledge of sandstone into a deep, picturesque pool. Looking for an alternate hike during the closure? Consider West Prong, Lynn Creek Waterfall Loop, or the Deep Creek Waterfall Loop. This project is funded by Friends of the Smokies, which is also supporting rehabilitation work on Bullhead and Deep Creek trails this year.